Hi, I'm Nene, and this is Nene's Nest, where I read stories every day except Sunday to children. I was a kindergarten teacher and a grandmother, and I just love children's books. This is one of my favorite characters, Pete the cat. Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes is probably going to be one of my favorite stories because I love cupcakes. Pete the Cat's authors are Kimberly and James Dean. And let's just take a look at these colorful illustrations on the front. So many colors and things to look at on the inside. And the pictures are so fun. They just invite children in. So get your children, gather them around, and let's go in the inside and find out what the story is basically about. Pete the Cat and his friends are baking cupcakes for a cupcake party, but some of the cupcakes have gone missing. Who could have taken them? Help Pete and the gang solve the mystery of the missing cupcakes and learn that it's cool to be kind. Well, I know if you put a cupcake in my house, it's going to go missing because I love them and I might be the one to snatch one. So let's see, how many cupcakes do we see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cupcakes. And I don't know if that's what we're going to see in the story, but let's find out. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. Let's see what they have when they're making the cupcakes. Milk, flour, and they're stirring that up. And let's see what happens next. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. They had 10 when they were done. And we already counted them, but we'll count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pick out your favorite. I see mine. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. Oh no, they were sure there had been 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count again. Help me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do you think are missing? Can you figure that out? They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 are missing. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found a clue. Gus said, look what I have found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was a squirrel. She loves sprinkles. Squirrel said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 2 more are missing. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. Pete said, I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat. Alligator said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Oh, I bet you can count them. Do you see how many are left? Now there were only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But someone had taken 2 more. But who? Well, now we know it's not the squirrel and it's not the alligator. It's not Pete or Gus. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. I bet it was Turtle, said Pete. I know Turtle loves sweets. Turtle said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Ooh, I see something that's giving me a clue. There are the 4, and someone is grabbing. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were gone now. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. And there's sprinkles and footprints and more clues all the way out here. Someone has gone far with them. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus have solved the case. I am so sorry, it was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none. These are the cupcake papers. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, but wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited. He did a happy dance. That's fun. That's a fun picture. Look at those glasses he's wearing. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Well, that was a kind thing for him to do. Let's count how many he brought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's a very lot of cupcakes. Pete the Cat's cupcake party went just fine. All his friends were there. We didn't meet this friend or this one over here or this one, but there's enough for all of them to have a cupcake. Look at this picture on the back. Boy, I'm looking around to see which one's chocolate with lots of frosting. That would be my favorite. And here are the authors, James and Kimberly Dean. I want you to give them a thumbs up for this beautiful story. It's so fun. We got to count together. We got to think about cupcakes. So go over and give it a thumbs up. A like gets other kids information about this channel called Nini's Nest. So go over and give it a thumbs up. And then if you haven't subscribed, get subscribed, because tomorrow I'll be reading another story for you. And have a great afternoon.